Good evening, everybody. Am I audible? Am I audible? Please confirm in the chat box. Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Please confirm in the chat box. Yes, okay. Thank you, Kirti. Thank you, Prashant. Just give me a second. Let me set it up. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so we were discussing the concept of percentages, guys. So today we shall start problems. And my sincere request, guys, before I start, if possible, please share this class link among your friends, be it in your class group or the people who are preparing for the placements. You'll be knowing the other groups, right? So where you are in, okay, if possible, please do share that link to your friends. Take some 30 seconds time and do it for me, guys. And we shall start in shop 30 seconds. Okay, get back. Let us start. Let us start the session. Problems on percentages. Okay, so what do we have here? We have problems on percentages, guys. So we have seen all the tools, how to improve the speed, and as well as we have seen various concepts also. Now I think it is time for us to solve the problems, guys. I think a couple of people went out to share. Let them come back. We shall start, guys. Good evening, Chandana. Okay. So let us start, people. So problems on percentages. Look at this. What is the first problem we have? A company has 8,344 chocolates. If company has sold 25% of the stock, then how many chocolates did it sell? Look, it has 8,344 and it sold 25%. It means what? It sold 25% of 8,344. How many chocolates did it sell? 25% means what? 1 by 4. We learned it yesterday. 8,344. We simply have to cancel this. What do we get? So 4 into 20 is 80, 4 into 8, 32, 4 into 6. So what do we get? 2086. Do we have the option? Yes. Option number 1 is our final answer. Option number 1 is our final answer. The first question is pretty simple question, guys. So eventually, step by step, we'll be increasing the level of the difficulty. Okay. So look at the second question. What do we have? Look at the second question. What do we have here? A time duration of 1 hour 45 minutes is what percent of a day? So you have to tell this 1 hour 45 minutes is what percent of a day. So what do we do here? We have to do, so 1 hour 45 minutes is what percent of a day means. This is divided by 1 day. Now this will become a number. To convert it into percentage, we'll multiply with 100. But here, guys, to convert it, what you have to do, you have to convert both the numerator and denominator into days, or you have to keep both of them in hours, or you have to keep both of them in minutes. The easier way is keep both of them in hours. I know 1 day is a 24 hours. And 1 hour 45 minutes, I have to convert it. 1 hour plus. Now 45 minutes should be converted into hours. How do we convert minutes into hours? Manohar says 7.291. Perfect. So 45 minutes to convert into hours, I have to divide it with 60. Then it will become hours. What do I get? 15 into 3 is 45, 15 into 4. So 1 plus 3 by 4, 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. What do I get? 7 by 4. So this is what? 7 by 4 hours into 100. So finally, what do I get? 7 into 100, 700. 4 comes to the denominator. 700 by 4 into 24 is a 96. So if you divide this 700 with the 96, no, you can't write it, Tarun. It is not out of 100. It is not, you can't write it 0.45. That is 3 by 4 is a 3 by 4. 45 by 60 is 3 by 4 means it is 0.75. Okay. You can't make it as 0.45 hours. That is wrong. That is wrong. You can write it as 0.75 hours because 3 by 4 means 0.75. So what we have to do, we'll divide with 96. So what do I get? 96 into 7. 96 into 7 means how much I get? 672. So what is left out? 28. Again, I'll take a point here and I can take double zero here. So 96 into 2 I will take. Just a second, let me make some space. 96 into 2 will give you how much? 192. What am I left with here? Still 88. And again 96 into closely 8. Or 8 or 9. No, 9. I can go 96 into 9. So don't bother further about it. Now look at the options. What do I have? 7.291. So 7.29 in how many options we have? In only one option, 7.291. Yes, calculation is slightly difficult here, but you have to do it, people. You don't have an option. There is no shortcut here unless you are using a calculator. There is no shortcut here. You have to do the calculation part in this question, guys. Okay, so wherever the shortcut is available, definitely I will tell you that. But if there is no shortcut, we cannot use it. That is all. Did you understand this question? Everybody, please confirm in the chat box. Please confirm in the chat box, everyone. Everyone, whoever is watching, if you understand this, please confirm in the chat box, guys, and do not forget to like. Do not forget to like the video, and please do subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel as well, so that whenever I'm taking a live class, people, you will get a direct notification. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. So let us continue with the third question. What do I have? See, the population of the town is increased by 10%, 20%, and decreased by 30% in 3 years. If the initial population is 10,000, find the new population. Look, for this, I want you to remember a trick here. Remember, x is also equal to 100% of x. This is very important. I'll tell you why. You'll understand later why. Okay. So why, guys? Why it is equal? 100% means what? 100 by 100 of x. Both will be cancelled. You'll be left with what? X only. So you can consider x as 100% of x. Likewise, you can consider any number as 100% of itself. You can consider any number as 100% of itself. Now see what is telling. A population of a town is increased by 10%. Again increased by 20%. And then decreased by 30%. What is it telling? So this is in 3 years. If the initial population is 10,000, find the new population. We know initial population is at 10,000. Look, just now I told you guys, x is also nothing but 100% of x. So it means that 10,000 is also nothing but 100% of 10,000. This is 100% of 10,000. It is increased by 10% means this will become 100% increased by 10% means it will become 110%. So this is a population after 1 year. Now this is again increased by 20%. Carefully here. Consider this entire value as a new value 100%. This is increased by 20% means what do I get? Now this becomes a 120%. Okay, so this is population after 2 years. Now again consider this entire value as a new value means 100%. Third year it is decreased by 30% means what is left out? 70%. So this will give us the new population. Let us consider it as x. Let us consider it as X. So what do I do here? I'll repeat this question. Don't worry. Just listen to me. So 110, I have 10,000 here. And I have 110% means 110 by 100 into 120% means 120 by 100 into 70% means 70 by 100. This is equal to X. Double zero, and 4 zeros cancelled here. Here double zeros get be cancelled by 0, 0. What am I left with? 7 into 12 into 11. That is equal to X. 7 into 12 is 84. Sorry, 70 it is. I'm sorry. This is 70. So this will become 840 into 11. If I multiply that, what do I get? I'll get 4, 2, 1 carry, 9 and 1 0 here. So this is my final population. This is my final population. I will repeat this question. Please stay with me. Do we have the option 9240? Yes. Look, original population is 10,000. Consider that original population as 100% of itself. Consider it as 100% of itself. Okay. Now, this is increased by 10%. I'm repeating, Manohar. So this is increased by 10%. So 100% of 10,000 increased by 10% means it becomes 110% of 10,000. So that is the population after 1 year. 110% of 10,000 will be the new population after 1 year. Now consider this entire value as some new value, which means 100% again. Now this is again increased by 20%. So this will become 120% of 110% of 10,000. That is the population after 2 years. Now consider it as a new value again, which means 100%. So this 100% is decreased by 30%, means what will be left out? 70% of 120% of 110% of 10,000. That is equal to the new population. Let us consider it as X. So when you cancel it, 9240 will be the final answer. Am I clear with this, guys? Everybody? Am I clear with this question? Everyone? Now confirm. Did you understand? Did you understand? Please confirm. Everybody. Manohar, did you understand, buddy? Yes? Okay. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Let us move on to the next question. What do I have? The population of the town is increased by 25%. Okay. At 10%. And then decreased by 15%. The third time it is decreased by 15% in 3 years. If the current population is 18,700, find the population of the town 3 years ago. He's asking population of the town 3 years ago. Prashant says 16,000. Let us see that, guys. Let us see that. What is happening? Look, he's asking population of 3 years ago. Let us consider it as X. In 3 years, this X is increased by 25% and 10% and then decreased by 15%. Now the current population is 18,700. He's asking current population, which is 18,700. But he's asking us to calculate the old population. Let us consider it as X. Now this X, consider it as 100% of X. This is increased by 25%, means what can I write? 125% of X. This is the population after first year. Now this, consider this as a new value, which is 100%. So now this new value 100% is increased by 10%, means that this will become 110% of the X. So what is this? This is the population after second year. Now consider this as a new value. Now this is again decreased by 15%. 100, consider it as 100%, new value decreased by 15% means I will be left with 85%. So this must be the current population, which is according to the question is 18,700. This is the equation, people. This is the equation. Look, previous case, he directly gave the current population and he is asking future population. Now he is giving us the current population and he is asking us the population in the past 3 years ago. Okay, so he's asking 3 years ago. So simply we just have to do the calculation. So what is this? This is 85 by 100. So this is 110 by 100, and this is 125 by 100 of x is equal to 18,700. Rest is the cancellation part, guys. So I can cancel 0 and 0 here. This is 5 into 17, and this is 5 into 20. 17 into 11 is 187 and double zero. 11 into 1, 11 into 100 is 1100. 25 into 5, 25 into 4. 5 into 1, 5 into 4. In denominator, I have 4 into 4, 16. Okay. Did I do any? Here there is another 10 people. Another 10. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 10 is 160. 160 will go to the other side. 100 into 160, you can do it as 16,000. So this will be our final answer. Perfect answer, guys. Who all give the right answer? Prashant and Manohar, absolutely right answer. Tarun, yes, you can do it, Tarun. You can do that also. But you know why I didn't do that? Dealing with the decimals will be complicated compared to the fractions. So that is the reason we are going with the fractions rather than decimals. Okay. So multiplying with a decimal again will be a complicated task. So that's why try to avoid a decimal as much as possible. Deal with only fractions. Okay. Now, next question. Two successive discounts of 10% and 20% are equal to single discount of. Try to answer this question, guys. I'll give you a couple of minutes time. I'll give you 1 minute time. I'll give you 1 minute time. Try to answer me the fifth question. So Prashant says 32. We will see, Prashant. We will see. To take add of 10. I didn't understand, Tarun, what you're trying to say there. Manohar says 28. We shall see. Others, anybody? Guys, you've been regular to the classes. Okay. Like I know, so most of you who are attending now, you guys are already attending every single class. My sincere request, people, like please bring in your friends as well. Please bring in your friends as well, if possible, guys. So definitely, what is the quality of the teaching, people. If you will be knowing in your class who are in the need of aptitude or who want to learn aptitude, if you just spread a word, guys, there will be more students who will be attending these classes. Advantages of the 10 table. Yeah, you can do it, Tarun, but still I say stay away from decimals. Akhil also says 32. Akhil also says 32. Let us see, guys. Let us see. 32 is a wrong answer, guys. So let us assume, let us consider a number 100. Let us consider a number 100. I know what you guys did. You did a successive percentage x plus y plus xy by 100. You got 32. Wrong answer. I'll show you later why. Discount means what? A decrease. So first I'll decrease a 20%. 100 decreased by 20%, I will get 80. And again 10% discount means I will decrease it by 10. 10%. What is 10% of 88? Decrease means minus. What do I get? 72. What is change in the value? 28 minus. So 28 out of 100 is what? 28% discount. Decrease means discount means a decrease, guys. You must know that. Can I apply the formula here which we learned yesterday? Successive percentage. Percentage change in successive percentage can be calculated using the formula x plus y plus xy by 100 that we learned in the previous class. But check this. Here both are decreasing. Discounts means a decreasing. X value will be minus 10. Y value will be minus 10. Minus into minus plus. 10 into 20, 200. 200 by 100, 2. I'll get minus 28. Minus represents a decrease. So what is my answer? 28% decrease. Am I clear with this question, everybody? Am I clear with the question, everyone? Did you, everybody? Okay. Then it is fine. Then it is fine, Tarun. Not a problem. Everyone, did you understand this question? Everybody, others? Remember what is the important point here? You must remember what is it? Uh, discount means a decrease. Okay. Now, okay. I'm sorry. Let us go to the next question. Three successive discounts of 10%, 15%, and 20% are equal to. I want to leave it to you and I want you to try it. I want you to try it and tell me the answer in tomorrow's class. If you don't get it, then I will solve it. Manohar says 38.8. Manohar, are you using calculator? Manohar, are you using calculator? If you use calculator, buddy, then it is not acceptable because you are giving two quick answers. Okay, I'm not doubting you like that. Okay, so already solved. Okay, you must be then SJCIT student, right? Manohar, you must be SJCIT student then. Okay, 38.8 is the right answer. Others, I want you to try, guys. If you don't get it, then let me know. If you don't get it, then let me know. I will help you guys. Okay. EWIT. But where did I solve that? EWIT. Did I train in that college? East West Institute of Technology. Okay, I never solved this question. I don't know. It is okay. It is okay. So let us go to question number 7. Let us go to question number 7. What do I have here? 1/4 of 1/3 of 2/5 of a number is 15. What will be 40% of a number? Okay. No. So no, while teaching before question, I solve the next one, sir. Okay, Manohar, that's fine. Please place a pic in the WhatsApp, sir. It's okay, Tarun. It's okay. Like, if I cannot do each and every task, guys, that is fine. It's okay. Okay. The people who are attending here, if they try it, that is more than sufficient for me. Okay. So let us do 1/4 of 1/3 of 2/5 of a number is 15. Of a number means which number? I don't know. X. 1/4 of 1/3 of a number of 1/3 of 2/5 of a number, I don't know, let us consider it as X. 15, that is 15. What will be the 40% of the number? Well, you can directly do it here, guys. 1/4 into 1/3 into 2/5 of X is equal to 15. Prashant says 360. Let us see. Okay, so what do we get? 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So what do I get finally? X is equal to 15 into 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 5, 30. So what do I get? X is equal to 150. Sorry, 450. X equal to 450. But I don't want X. I want 40% of X, which is nothing but 40% of 450. We need a 40% of 450. How do I calculate 40% of 450, guys? How do we calculate 40% of 450? 10% into 4. What is 10% of 450? 45. So I have to simply do 45 into 4. 10% of it is 45. Into 4, if I do, that becomes 40%. So what do I get here? 180 is my answer. Simple question, but that is not the way you must solve this problem. That's not the way, guys. If I were to solve this problem, what I would have done, observe. 1/4 of into 2 1/3 of into 40% of X is equal to 15. If you see 40% of X is equal to, this is 4 into 3, 12 will go to that side, right side. 15 into 12, I'll get it. If you check this, 40% of X is equal to 15 into 12 is 180. I'm getting the answer in a much shorter way. Why? But why I am getting in a much simpler way? If you see, This 2 by 5 itself is 40%. 2 by 5 itself is 40%. So you should not modify that. If you know the value of 2 by 5 is 40%, without disturbing that, we can solve this, guys. Without disturbing this, we can solve this. So that's why I did not change that one. You should know that point, guys. So that is the reason why I spent a lot of time in fraction percentage relationship. Okay, did you understand this question, guys? Did you understand this question? Well, another thing which I want to tell you people, I wanted to spend more time on your classes, these aptitude classes, but guys, morning time I'll be taking banking class. Thank you, Tarun. Morning, I will be taking banking classes for the banking exams in Kannada. Okay, evening, I will be taking PGCET, MBA entrance exam. I'll be taking classes for MBA entrance exams in the evening class, and again after that Python class, after that this class. So by the time I finish this class, people, I feel like I lost the entire blood out of my body. So that is the reason why I'm unable to spend more time on this. But one thing I'll tell you guys, I will try to take at least 4 to 5 days in a week these aptitude classes. Okay, but I will make sure, guys, whatever I'll teach you, I will teach you in depth. I will not just leave you, teaching you the basics and leave there, guys. So I will assure you one thing, people. If you listen to every single class of mine, you you will excel. You'll excel in aptitude for sure. But provided you practice, you will definitely learn in aptitude classes as well, guys. I want you to be regular. I want you to be regular and practice whatever I am doing. Okay. So let us go to question number 8. What do I have? So if 37% of a number is a 990.886, what will be approximately 19% of that number? See, yesterday somebody asked me, sir, why don't you teach in our college? I think someone from the East West itself, someone from the East West college only, they have asked me. So why don't you teach in our college? Yes, guys, I'll teach in colleges as well. Okay, I currently recently I taught in SJCIT, and apart from that, guys, earlier it's been long time since I trained in engineering colleges. So recently, this is the first time I trained in a college called SJCIT. So before that, it's been almost, I think, 3 or 4 years, guys. I left college training. I have trained in more than 120 engineering colleges across India, people. In fact, more than 140. Okay. Well, yes. So if I have to train in any particular college, people, that college faculty or college, placement officer or principal, if they ask us to train, definitely we will provide the colleges placement training in the college as well, guys. We will visit your college and we will train. Okay, so if possible, you can ask your placement officer, if you refer us to your placement officer, and if you tell about a teaching, what kind of teaching we are providing, yes, one day definitely we might come to you along with me, Praveen Jadhav, Kanakraj. You will meet every single trainer of LOL, people. LOL means learn online. Okay, so let us go to the next question. What do we have? 37% of a number is a 990.86 of a number. Which number? I don't know. Let us consider it as I will, Tarun. I will, provided you refer me to your placement officer. Yes, if they ask us, definitely we will come and train, guys. So what are we getting? Thank you, Chandana. So what are we having here, guys? 37% of a number is a 990.86. So what do I write? 37% of x is equal to 990.86. So what will be approximately 19% of this number? Do not try to calculate the exact value. Observe the word in the question. What is it? He's asking approximate value. Approximate value. So what can I do means here, if I divide by 2 on both the sides, if I divide with the 2 on both the sides, what do we get? So here I'll get 18.5% of x is equal to, here what do I get? 400 95.43 I will get. So guys, 18.5% is 495 means what will be 19% of x? Approximately, it must be slightly more than 495. Check out and answer. Check out and answer now. Yes, Chandana says 500. 500 is the right answer, guys. 500 is the right answer. So that should be my final answer. Okay, pretty simple question. Let us go to next question. 15th. What do I have? 15% of 45% of number. Number, I don't know. Consider it as x is 105.3. So what do I write? 15% means 15 by 100 into 45% means directly you must be able to write this step of a number. I don't know. X is equal to 105.3. So what is 24% of x? He is asking 24% of x. So for this, should I calculate x value? Yes, you must calculate, people, because there is no shortcut here. 24% from the given 40% and given 45, 55, 15% and 45%, we cannot deduce 45%. How much? 24%. That is the reason you have to solve it completely. How do I solve it? I can take it as a 9 into 5. Here, 9 into 11 is 99.63 is there, 9 into 7. This is 3 into 5. Again, this is 3 into 3, 9.3 into 3 into 3, 9. I'll take a point, 27, 3 into 9, 27. Finally, I have in the numerator 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4. So what do I get? X is equal to 3.9 into 400. So that will give me 1560. So this is x value, but what do I want? I want a 24% of 1560. So 24%, how do I calculate this? 1% into 24. What is 1%? I taught you yesterday. If you want to calculate 1%, divide the number with 100. So 1560 by 100 is how much? 15.6. So if I multiply with 15.6, I'll get my answer. 15.6 into 24. There is nothing here. I'll take 0 and I'll multiply 24, 2, 20, 32, 34, 3, 4, 0, 10, 14, 7, 1 carry, 2, 3. That's all. I'll get a point here. So this will become 374.4. So this is my answer. So you might be wondering, why don't we have a shortcut? Guys, every problem will not have shortcut, guys. Every problem will not have shortcut. Okay, sometimes we'll get problems something like this, guys, and we have to do it. We don't have an option. Yes, of course, if there is a shortcut, and definitely I will let you know. Okay, so if you're understanding this, and people, guys, if you did not still, if you still did not, what is it, subscribe to our channel, guys, please do subscribe to our channel. That will be a great support, guys. Okay, so let us continue. 10th one. So let us calculate the approximate value. I can simply write it as a 20% of 450. Sorry, 22% of 450. So I can calculate it as a 20% plus 2%. 20%, how do I calculate? 10% into 2. 10% is 45. 20% is a 90. Don't calculate 2% directly. Write it directly, 9. Why? If you divide 20% with a 10, you will get 2%. 20% is 90. Divide with a 10, you'll get 9. So approximately, look at the closest option. What do we have? 100. So that will be my answer. 100 is my final answer. Everyone, did you understand this question? Did you understand this question? Please confirm. Please confirm in the chat box. Are you understanding? Look, you should attend the previous classes, guys. Only then you can understand, because all these shortcuts, how to calculate 10%, how to calculate 1%, 5% and all, I clearly explained in the previous class, guys. If you have missed it, check into the playlist or the previous videos of the same channel. Okay, so you can definitely get it. And another thing, if any of you are preparing for the banking exams, guys, And we have another channel. We have another channel, the link of which I am posting in the chat. Check it out. You can visit that channel, guys, where you will get all the aptitude content in Kannada. There I will be teaching, we will be teaching in Kannada, guys, for what is it? Banking exams particularly. Okay. So let us continue. Let us solve another couple of problems today. If a 75% of a number is added to 75, the result is number itself. 75% of a number, which number I don't know, let us consider it as x. 75% of a number is added to 75, then the result is number itself. What can I do? 75% of number, some number I don't know, let us consider it as x. If it is added to 75, then the result is number itself. Number itself means what? X. Okay. So how can we calculate? 75% means 75 by 100, which is nothing but 3 by 4 of x, plus 75 is equal to x. What do I get? 75 is equal to x minus 3/4 of x. Here I'll get 1/4 of x is equal to 75. What do I get here? X value. So what do I get? X value as 75 into 4, which is 300. So that should be my answer. That is one method, guys. Rather than that, you can do it in this way. 75% of x, perfect, guys, 300 is right answer. Nayana, I think you joined pretty late today. So 75% of x is added to 75. That is equal to x itself. Look, I gave you a tip here in, I think in previous problem somewhere. Where was it? Here, you see, x can also be written as 100% of x. If you use that simple trick here, you can do it in much faster way. Check this out. In place of x, I can write 100% of x. What do I get? 75 is equal to, this 75% comes to the right side. So that becomes a 25% of x. What do I mean by 25%? 1/4 of x. So if I multiply this, what do I get? 75 into 4 is 300. Much simpler way, much simpler way. Okay, so let us skip this 12th and 13th. We shall solve tomorrow. Let us solve 14th one. Let me solve 14th one. Why, guys? If you observe, so far we are solving all number based question, guys. We are solving all number based questions. Okay, so after number based questions, we'll go to other type of questions. So today, everything, if you see, all the problems are number based questions in percentages. Okay, so let us see another question. If a numerator of a fraction is increased by 20% and the denominator is increased by 25%, the fraction obtained is 3 by 5. We don't know what is the fraction. Let us consider it as x by 5. What was the original fraction is asking. Let us consider original fraction as x by y. What is it telling? If the numerator is increased by 20%. So what do I get? X, numerator is x, increased by 20% means x plus 20% of x. And the denominator is increased by 25%. So y was there originally. This is increased by 25% of y. So then the fraction obtained is 3 by 5 means this is equal to 3 by 5. If I solve this, definitely I'll get the answer, guys. This will become 1/5 of x divided by, this is 25% means 1/4 of y. That is equal to 3 by 5. Again, what do I get in the numerator? X plus 1/5 of x means what? That will become 6 by 5 of x. Denominator will become what? 5y by 4. 5y by 4. So this is equal to 3 by 5. Now I can keep on doing it, but this is becoming pretty lengthy, people. This is becoming pretty lengthy, so I don't want to use it. Simply, guys, if you just use our previous trick, what is that? X is equal to 100% of x. You can do miracles in this question. Observe here. X, consider it as 100% of x increased by 20% means that will become directly 120% of x. Y, consider it as 100% of Y, that is increased by 25%, means that will become 120% of Y. Then the fraction becomes 3 by 5. Check this out. Percentage cancel. Okay. 5 into 24. 5 into 25. 5 into 1, 5 into 5. 3 into 1, 3 into 8. 8 by 5 will go to the other side. So x by y is equal to 5 by 8. See how simply we can get the answer here without any extra fuss and all. If you just use a simple trick that x is nothing but 100% of the x, most of the people don't know that. If you know that, guys, you can reduce your time like anything here. Okay. Everyone, did you understand this question? Did you understand this question, everybody? Please confirm in the chat box, guys. Please confirm in the chat box. Okay. Yes, guys. So that is all from my side, people, today. Okay. So we shall stop here. We have solved almost how many questions in this class? We solved 11, 12 questions we solved, people. Okay. Still, there are many questions, guys. I will try to solve as many questions as possible for you guys. Look, this is the same content, guys, what I train in, colleges or in the paid courses as well. So do not think that in the free classes we'll be giving you something less and in the paid classes we are giving you something more, guys. No, we are providing exactly the same content. We are providing the same content. Only thing is, few people don't know, they don't value the free classes, guys. But I know you guys have been very regular to the classes, and of course I know that you really appreciate, you guys appreciate what we are doing, and for that I'm really thankful to you, people. So please stay with us continuously till the end of all the topics, people. I will make sure every single topic in the aptitude is covered, people, in a certain depth that no one would ever teach you in any of the classes. I will take you to that depth in the classes. So just stay till the end with us, guys. So this is going to be a long journey, but do not worry, guys. We'll be sticking with you till the end of this course. Okay. So thank you all, people. Thank you so much. So this is my class today. So I hope you like the class. If you like the class, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So that is all from my side, people. See you tomorrow again. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night ahead.